Hello friend, in this video lecture I am going to discuss about how to use support vector machine in Alteryx. So here you can see this is the support vector machine. Determine a variable value category using level or training data. Some application of the support vector machine included document classification, image detection, and application where data cannot be easily separated with line or vector. So let's understand by example. So in my last video there I discussed about SP line. So here I'm going to remove this. Now let's drag this. So here it receives one input and O for output and R for report. Now hereafter the mapping workflow part that has completed, and you need to click this and here give the model name. So MDL vector. So this name that I've given, and here target, it's fine, and predicted, so you can select one or many. Now let's click on this run, and here input data, source, location, time for started workflow, 10 rows that's come from the source, and here it's completed on. So it's completed 10 row, it's completed. Now hereafter when I click here, you can see it's completed on 11 seconds. Now if I click on this, here you can see this the input, here output, name and size, here report. Click on this. Now you can see here this is the model summary call, this is the formula, and here target that I selected, you can see target. So this is the target, and here this is the predictor. Click on this. So predictor is the dname cost 1, this is the gamma value, and now you can see 10, 20, and here 40. So 40, 10, 1, 40, 20, 1, 40. So it's 2, and here 16, it's 2. Now here after the next is here you can see. So here you can see our classification method. So you can use here regression. Now if I click on this run, so here it's 10 rows, 299 bytes, 70% completed. Source file running. I started running timing. Now here I'm getting the error. So why the error is come? The target non-numeric use classification instead. So the reason of this error is, so if I click this, here you can see dname, DP number, target, it's a string. And if you are using regression according to message, you need to use integer or double. So what we need to do? So here this is the string, we need to convert this. So delete connection, here preparation. Now you can select and here give int 64. Now if you are going to use the regression name, there will be no any problems. Run the workflow again, and here it's completed 100% processing on vector, and here it's completed on 11 seconds. Now this time there is no any error, and you can see here this is the formula, and here you can see root mean square, R square, mean absolute, and here residual plot, predictor, real value. Now here after you can select this on. So rename that I selected, you can select location, and if I select this tools, let's see what happen. So here it's running the workflow, and select 16. So there is no any problem. You can select multiple fields. Now you can see here. So this is the formula. The DPT number, this is the target, predictor, dname, lock, data, here target, DPT number, predictor, gamma values, model preference, and here procedure plot, predictor value, real value, and here 40, 30, 20, and this place 2, 4, 6. And here this is the frequency, you can see. So here 20 minus 20, so this is the frequency here. So this is the way we can here use support vector machine inside Alteryx. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching, see you next video. Thank you.